If you're looking to create your own MetaTrader 5 signal indicator and alerts, you're in the right place. This is MT5 EasySignal Builder, a structured MQL5 framework that helps you build and test your own custom trading signals. With EasySignal Builder, you can create your own signal logic with full control over triggers and alerts. You can visualize the signal directly on your chart, enable alerts, and speed up development by prototyping entry and exit logic fast. Some MQL5 coding is required, but we've made it easier than ever with clear instructions and included examples. You can even use AI tools to help write your logic. Why use EasySignal Builder? You get full source code, not a locked EX5 file. The code is fully commented, so you can understand exactly how it works. You also get built-in error handling, performance controls, and a clean professional coding structure. Who is this tool for? It's designed for traders with an interest in MQL5 coding, traders looking to automate more of their strategy, and developers tired of using black box indicators that can't be customized. Getting started is easy. Download the source code, complete the customization sections in MQL5, compile the code, load it on your chart, and repeat the process to create as many signals as you want. Let's take a quick look at how the tool works. Here in MetaTrader, we have the EasySignal Builder source code loaded. It is fully organized and well commented, so you always know where to plug in your custom logic. In the first section, you can describe your triggers to keep it separate signals you will create. You also find a quick reference of the sections you will need to customize. To create your own indicator and alerts with EasySignal Builder, you will need to customize a few specific sections in the code. Step 1. Indicator properties. Start by adjusting the indicator properties. This defines how your indicator appears on the chart, including colors, line styles, and buffer plots. Step 2. Indicator parameters. Next, edit the indicator parameters. This is the list of input values your signal will use, like levels, periods, or switch toggles. Step 3. Variables. Then define any additional variables you need. These support your custom logic inside the indicator. Step 4. Copy buffer in onCalculate. In the onCalculate section, you will use copy buffer to read values from built-in indicators, like RSI, moving averages, or stochastic. Step 5. Start variables function. If your logic requires initializing any special variables, do that inside the start variables function. Step 6. Start indicator. Handles function. The start indicator. Handles function is where you set up the handles for your chosen indicators. Step 7. Start indicator. Buffers function. Use the start indicator buffers function to link your internal logic with the chart's visual output through custom buffers and arrow plots. Step 8. Check inputs function. The check inputs function lets you validate user input before anything runs, improving stability and reducing bugs. Step 9. Check trigger function. Finally, the core logic goes inside check trigger. This is where you define the signal condition itself, whether it's an entry, exit, or both. These steps are clearly marked in the source code, and you can customize each section based on your strategy or logic. With this modular approach, you can quickly build new indicators using the same solid foundation. Once your signal logic is ready, you can compile the file and switch back to MetaTrader 5. Now, we attach the indicator to the chart. Your signals will appear as arrows, and if alerts are enabled, you will also get a pop-up, email, or mobile push notification. You can customize the behavior with built-in inputs like symbol filter, alert toggle, and shift control. With this framework, you can create multiple unique indicators without rewriting the same code over and over again. Here's what's included. You get the full MQL5 framework, fully commented source code, and real-world signal examples. These include RSI, stochastic, parabolic, SAR, moving average cross, MA, tag, engulfing candle, and box breakout signals. Download EasySignal Builder for MT5 at MT4gadgets.com. Own your signals, master the code, trade with clarity.